My name is Araceli Corley from Queens, New York. I am a computer science major. I really love programming and the whole process of building these programs from scratch and figuring out what to do. It's essentially a puzzle that you're trying to piece together from all these different methods. When I was a freshman, I actually entered in as a biomedical engineering major, but then I changed my major and it was the best decision I ever made. When I was changing majors, both engineering and computer science professors were extremely helpful. If I had questions about my major, what the work was like, or what to do around campus, I could talk to somebody. It really embodies one of the big benefits of BU, which is that there's people to help you everywhere. I needed to have that at BU because, especially as a first-generation American, being far away from home and away from my family is a huge adjustment. Being raised in like a Latino family, you grow up with hanging out with a lot of your cousins, your aunts, your uncles, you see them on a daily basis and they're so supportive. So having a supportive work environment from my professors and counselor offices at BU was extremely helpful. The Richard D. Cohen Scholarship has been extremely monumental. By going to BU, I've grown so much as a person and as an individual, and also just as a student. My accomplishments are not just my accomplishments, they're my family's accomplishments. I represent them in a Latino way, in a New Yorker way, in a first generation way, and I think Boston University is really good at finding students from those different backgrounds and honoring their experiences.